Hi, so good morning. Today it's part 2 pressure washing around the back on the patio here. Hopefully it'll go well. Shouldn't be a huge job to finish this off today now. Sun's coming up, so yeah, beautiful day here. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and like and subscribe, please. Thanks. See you in a bit. So here's the finished job. Some of it's still drying a little bit, but as you can see, it looks pretty darn good. I'll take some photographs here in a second or two also, just as the finished product. But walking through this, I'm well pleased with how this has turned out. And maybe I won't leave it quite as long next time to go ahead and pressure wash the area. Alrighty, well, I appreciate you watching, and if you care for this type of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See ya.